And these floating structures would mimic things that you would see in nature. Um, so here would be the water line. This part is underwater, being held in suspension almost. Sort of a balance between the top and the bottom. There's another one inside of this, but this would be floating on the surface like a giant bubble. Um, this bubble is comprised of a shell that keeps it rigid, and it's a dome, and it's made out of all these hexagons and a couple of pentagons. Just got to throw a couple of pentagons in just to be pentagon correct. And from this structure is actually hollow tubes, series of hollow tubes, and inside is water and nutrients that are being pumped up through, and there are plants growing out of this. So this whole thing is shading and creating this ecosystem, and from there there's other things that are growing on it. Underneath there's fish growing inside of here. There's all this different aquaculture. You've got this structure that's basically built out of garbage. So by taking this material and making this, that's the trick. How do we get from this to this? But not just a piece of paper, but the actual thing. And I've been developing a technique that by heating sand and applying it with not much pressure, just basically the weight of the sand, holding it down and fusing it all together, create these solid materials. Hold up.